Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath and I'm here to bring you your first weekend reading for the year 2016. I'm going to use the Archangel Oracle and let's see what the cards have in store for us. Ooh. Is the Archangel Ariel and she says, spread your wings. Do not hold back right now. The perfect timing and you are ready to soar. Take a look. Well, the feeling I'm getting with this card for the weekend is you have plans. You have plans of what you really want to do. But somewhere you're doubting the possibility of them happening maybe. Or you're thinking, will I be able to do this? Is it possible for me to do this? Some of you might even be thinking, is it right for me to do this? It's too early. Or maybe it's too late. I don't know. This is not the right time. But the card says it is perfect timing. It's absolutely perfect timing. Right now is the time where you drop your fears, lose your doubts, put on your fun adventure hat and go ahead and have the greatest weekend you can have, because you got to spread your wings and fly away. Literally. See? Fly away. This weekend has a lot of fun and a lot of magic in store for you, except you've got to be careful of one thing. You let any doubt come in, people, and you're going to lose the magic. So do not let the doubt come in. Have fun and know that you are good at crossing your boundaries. Not limits, your boundaries. You can stretch your boundaries. You can go ahead and do exactly what you want to do. Have fun. Have a lot of fun this time. Have laughter. Go out for a long drive and, roll down your windows. It's just about letting the fun come in, letting that wind, letting that universal energy come into you and allowing you to be who you really are. I know this makes sense to you. Have a great weekend and I'll see you on Monday with your week reading. Bye-bye.